Hi guys, and welcome back to another 3-minute van tour. In this one it's going to be a bit different because I've actually challenged Meeks to give a tour of our van in 3 minutes.
Bring it on.
Are you feeling confident?
So confident. I know this van like the back of my hand.
Let's get into it then.
Hi guys, I'm Meeks from Courts and Meeks, and this is Dee Dee. She's our bright orange long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter 2012, and she's got nearly 160,000 miles on the clock. We've had her for 3 years now, and she has been an absolute beast for us. We lived in her for 2, we work on the road, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. Come on in then.
Go.
Right, okay, so as you come in, there's a slight swivel seat here, B2B battery charger under there, 60 amp one, so it feeds our batteries when we need to. We have a wardrobe here with all our clothes and our composting toilet that slides out like that. Moving on into our shower room, we have a big shower room with a nice shower head, 100 litres of water, so it lasts us quite a while. We've got two 50-litre bins, one for normal, one for recycling. Our slippers are there. Down here we've got a shoe tidy. We've also then got our electrics control panel that shows battery monitor, inverter controller and the light switch. If you come in, please come in. Over here we've got a foof, and here is our kitchen. Big sink, does our dishes in it fine. Berkey water system, which we'll explain later on, but it gives us fresh water from wherever. Nice big tap with a hoo-ha what's it on it. And then we've got a 2-burner hob, which is hard to clean, but it's fed by our underslung gas tank, which is, I don't know, 28 litres I think. Massive. That's all it does, so we don't need any more. Beautiful orange kettle, nice mugs. And then we've also got our fridge, 65 litre compressor fridge. Big drawers under here in our pantry. Overhead storage, loads of stuff up there. Nice big windows, so lets all the light in. We've got thermal blinds that cool down and black out. Beautiful for night time. And then over here is our seating and dining area. We work on the road full time, so we need a dedicated space to work from. We've got a nice dual plug under there for our laptops that runs off our inverter. Loads of storage under the seats. We've got Wi-Fi up here in our lovely box, so we can access it. We've got a max fan, which lets all the air in and out, all that sort of stuff. And then here is our bed slash sofa area. So it's in day mode at the moment, which is sofa bed, and we can sit up here and put our projector screen up on these hooks up here and watch loads of cool Netflix stuff. But when we want to go to bed, you pull this out here. These cushions come in to the mattress area, and it makes a king size bed. It's awesome. It's so much better than what we had before, and we definitely recommend it because underneath you get loads of storage room, which is where we've got 200 amp hours of battery, which is fed by 620 watts of solar on our roof rack. Lithium, yep. We've got paddle boards, fold up bikes, barbecues, you name it, it's under there. What else have we got? Come on, what have I missed? Oh, we've got plastic cladding on the walls. Lightweight, it's hollow, so it's a good insulator, and also really easy to work with, and it's wipe clean. How much time have I got?
I think like a minute.
A minute?
Oh no, 24 seconds.
Okay, 24 seconds. Everything's orange because we love orange. The van's orange and we are now the orange couple. These drawers are awesome. We've got cutlery and camera equipment in here. Please don't steal any of it when you watch this. We've got air heating and hot water from our diesel heater that's under the van. Basically a heat exchanger which gives us continuous hot water whenever we want it. And that's a wrap.
Whoa!
Yeah! I'm sweating.
I don't think you took a breath.
I got everything though, right?
Yeah, I think so. Very good.
Awesome.
I'm very impressed.
That is Dee Dee. She's a beast. We've lived in her for a while. We've built her out twice now, and we are so happy with this layout and configuration. So yeah, we're gonna do a full length van tour in the future, probably in like 6 months time because we're terrible. But if you want to see that, please drop a comment below because we'd love to know how many people are interested and also what you're interested in. There's so much to go through there. Like, it'll be really good to get some pointers on what people want to see more of or what people want to see less of.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and we will catch you on the next 3-minute van tour.
Please like and subscribe and ding that bell so you get notification when the next 3-minute van tour comes out.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.